A teen needed medical treatment after he crashed his mini bike into the back of a car. You can see the damage here, the rear window of the car. Sahuarita Fire District tells us the accident happened around 8 p.m. last night in the Presidio del Valle neighborhood near La Valita and Sahuarita Road. When crews arrived, they say that they found the 18-year-old man had hit a parked car and went through the hatchback. We're told he was not wearing a helmet at the time of the crash. The rider was taken to the hospital for further treatment. SRFD is now reminding everyone, no matter what you are riding, you should always wear a helmet.